अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वंदे तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला विष्णुपाद अक्षरनाथ भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज वेदांत भगवान प्रज्ञान विष्णुपाद एवं पंचमस्त विष्णु चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Shishi Bhajan Rasa Katha we were hearing. So yesterday we have completed Pancham Yana. So now we are starting 6th Yam today. So today we are going to start the 6th Yam Katha. So here it will describe about Shyam. क्या है मेरे पास, लेके आऊँ अभी? So we were hearing about Shyam Kalin Bhajan. Now we will start Shyam Kalin Bhajan. This is called the Shyam Kalin Bhajan. In the 6th Yam. हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिकांत श्रीराधाकांत हरितप्त कांचन गौरांग
बाध्य
Huh?
लक्षण शिक्षा के 6वां श्लोक में वर्णित है। जिसमें वर्णनं गलदश्रुधारयं वदनं गदगदरुद्धया गिरा पुनर्वैनिचितं बपू कदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति। महाप्रभु इस श्लोक को उच्चारण कर रहे हैं।
So Mahaprabhu pronouncing the shloka, and he is telling to Sarup Damodar Rai Ramanan.
ये देखो कैसे सुंदर नाम ग्रहण नाम से महिमा होता है।
So how beautiful he is describing the glorification of name, that while chanting the holy name,
किस प्रकार हृदय में
so in your heart you will get so many bhav.
पुलार कोई नयनम गलदस्य धारया
Nayanam Galata Sudharya
बदनम गदगदरुद्धया गिरा पुलार कोई निश्चितम बपू कदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति। हे प्रभु
Hey Prabhu,
आपका नाम ग्रहण करते समय
so taking the shelter of your holy name, when I was chanting your holy name, so if from my eyes
गदगद पानी से
and
मेरा शरीर पुलकावली से
my whole body enthused it.
प्रेम धन विनोद व्यर्थ दरिद्र जीवन तात्सरी वेतन मरे देह प्रेम धन। यहाँ पर महाप्रभु का भी
So here Mahaprabhu is saying,
प्रेम धन बिना मोर व्यर्थ दरिद्र जीवन। यदि हृदय में प्रेम प्राप्ति नहीं हुआ
if you haven't developed the heart, love in your heart,
तो जीवन व्यर्थ।
your life is wasted.
दरिद्र व्यक्ति क्या चाहते हैं?
What the poor peoples need, paisa, dhan.
क्या चाहते हैं? धन चाहते हैं।
So the poor, what they want the money.
दरिद्र व्यक्ति क्या चाहते हैं?
Poor people wants money.
और धन के द्वारा
And by the money, so by the money we get the pleasures in life or comforts.
आने पर
When you get the money,
और अर्थ के द्वारा
so by the money,
अनेकों प्रकार के
so we get so many comforts in our life.
सुख के सामग्री
So we collect so many ingredients of pleasure.
क्या क्या चाहते हैं?
Just like what we want.
धन आपको मिल जाए।
When you get the money what you want.
आपको 5 करोड़ रुपए मिल जाए।
Let's suppose that you have got 5 crore rupees. So what you will do? Oh my
एक पैसे नहीं मिलेगा।
God.
उनको बोल रहे हैं, एक पैसा भी नहीं मिलेगा। अभी बहुत लोग ने सब गवर्नमेंट पैसा दिया ना।
So many people has given,
अरे 500 रुपए
many people, government has provided money for many peoples. Not only just 500 rupees. Very money is provided by the government.
किलो आपेल खरीदने जाओ तो 150 रुपए लग जाता है।
If you go for buy 1 kg atta, apple, so it will be around 100 rupees or 150 rupees cost. So what is going to happen with 500 rupees? It will be finished within 2 days. So Gurudev is asking here, if you get the money, so what you will do? So the audience, there was a devotee is saying that I will do the Vaishnava Seva. So Gurudev is saying, no, nobody do Vaishnava Seva after getting money.
सरकार ने ले लिया। वो रोड का जो बना है, आते हैं, उनके 5 करोड़ रुपए मिला, 1.5 करोड़ रुपए मिला।
So somebody created the road on the road, and they got the contract. So they get 1 crore or 2 crore rupees. So he didn't give even a single penny in the temple.
ये सब है। कोई ऐसे उदार हो तो थोड़ा एक भंडारा कर दे।
If somebody is very broad-hearted, so he can give the donation or for one day bhandara at the temple, 5,000 rupees around. So most probably only one day. So I mean to say, somebody is getting the earth of the money. So if that money is going to spend on the Bhagavad Seva, so that's very nice. If somebody has this kind of mentality, so that's why it's saying,
व्यर्थ दरिद्र जीवन, प्रेम धन बिना मोर व्यर्थ दरिद्र जीवन, तात्पर्य वेतन मोरे देह प्रेमधन। महाप्रभु का
So Mahaprabhu is saying here to Swarup Damodar and
प्रेम
Rai
धन
Damodar,
यदि नहीं मिला,
if somebody is not getting, I am not getting the prem dhan, so this life is व्यर्थ. If I am not getting the money of love,
इसलिए कार्य नहीं।
so that's why he is saying, hey Prabhu,
आप मुझे अपने चरण कमल की दास बना दीजिए।
please accept me as your lotus feet das servant,
और मुझे दास बना करके
and accept me as your das. What you do?
प्रेम धन मुझे
Please provide me your prem dhana,
नहीं करवाए। क्योंकि
because
शरीर धारण की तात्पर्य क्या है?
so what is the meaning of having this body, human form?
भगवत भक्ति,
Bhagavad bhakti, Bhagwan bhajan.
ये भगवत भक्ति नहीं हुआ,
If you are not performing bhajan or bhakti, so then what is the use of having this body?
ये अनुभव तब होता है
You realize this
अनंत से मुक्त हो।
so when a jeev realize this, when he remove from all the anarths.
अनंत से न-
Until he is not removing anarths, there are many kinds of anarths,
संसार की कोई
so
बात के लिए उसकी बहुत
so he will get so much desires to attain that materialistic things, just like
धर्म और
this is called dharma artha kama moksha.
वर्ग ले सकते हैं।
Three varg, dharma artha kam.
क्या चीज आप करना चाहते हैं?
Dharma artha kam,
क्या बताएं? त्रिवर्ग
three varga. They would like to get the dharma artha kama.
है। धर्म किसको कहा जाता है?
What is dharma?
है। समाज में
In this,
विधि नियम की पालन करके
in the society,
शुद्ध
so
सदाचार
following the rules and regulation and following the pure character.
है। समाज में रह करके
In the society, being staying in the society,
विधि निषेध का हम पालन करें।
so we follow do's and don'ts of the society.
और
If we follow the do's and don'ts of the scriptures,
है। उसके उसी तरह से धर्म का है।
so this is called a dharma.
धर्म शब्द के अर्थात विधान उसके साथ
So dharma means-
करने पर धर्म उत्पन्न होता
So the meaning of dharma,
है। जो धारण करते हैं
to having that, the meaning of dharma, to have, dharan karna.
हम पालन करने से
And the things which we are following, after following all this instruction given by the Shastra, when our heart get pleasure, what is the dharma? First we have to understand this.
धर्म शब्द की अनेक अर्थ
So there are many kinds of meanings of dharma.
शब्द का अर्थ स्वभाव
Dharma means a swabhav, the behavior,
स्वभाव
character.
जैसे जल के स्वभाव क्या है?
Just like what is the character of dharma, water? It's liquid.
नीचे के तरफ
So it's always flows downside. The water never goes upside. It's always gone downside.
बारिश होती है ना,
Whenever it's raining,
बारिश कहाँ होती
so it's the rain, the water always fall down.
है? इसलिए तुलसीदास जी कहते
That's
हैं,
why Tulsidas is saying,
ये मैं बारिश के बूंद को पकड़ करके ऊपर चढ़ जाऊं,
if somebody is saying that I can get up the drops of water when it was raining, so that I can
क्योंकि
come
बारिश के
come
जल
up,
तो नीचे ही तरफ आता है।
because the water of the raining is always fall down.
ये धर्म शब्द के अर्थ हम सभी जा रहे हैं, जिसे कहा जाता है स्वभाव।
So the meaning of dharma is swabhav.
कथन के समय
So at the time of manifestation and the things, so it's already the manifestation of the character of that things.
H2O, हाइड्रोजन
Just like
और
H2O,
ऑक्सीजन करके क्या बनता है?
Jal, H2O, the hydrogen plus oxygen is equal to water, H2O.
और वो जल के स्वभाव क्या है?
So what is the behavior or the character or the dharma of nature? Yes. What is the nature of that dharma? Water. It's liquid, liquidity.
इसलिए कहते हैं
That's why it is saying this is called the nature.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
जीव भगवान से जब प्रकट हुए,
when Jeev manifested by the Bhagwan,
तो जीव के स्वभाव क्या है?
so at that time what is the nature of the jiva, soul,
कृष्ण की सेवा करना।
serving the Krishna. Jivera Swarupa vai Krishna Nityadas. Nityadas. So this is the nature of the soul, jiva. This is the nature of soul. Just like what is the nature of a servant? It's the nature of a servant is served to their honor, master.
इसलिए हम लोग सब वैष्णव के क्या
So
करते
that's why all the Vaishnava used to say,
हैं? प्रभु कह के काटे। प्रभु शब्द इसलिए हम कहते हैं
why we used to say
ये
Prabhu,
बड़े हैं, मैं
he is higher than I am lower.
हैं? जब किसी के
Whenever we pronounce, when we used to say Prabhu to somebody,
प्रभु माने देव,
so what is the meaning? That he is higher than me. We always give pay respect, and I am lower than him.
छोटे के कर्तव्य क्या है?
So this
सेवा करना।
is the duty of the lower, that he always respect and serve the other, and serve the elder.
प्रभु शब्द
Just like that that's why we use here Prabhu.
ईश्वर का। ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, the Jeev is very little, Anu,
भगवान
and Bhagwan is Vibhu.
बृहद है, बड़ा है।
Bhagwan is very
इसलिए
very
उनके
big.
धर्म क्या है?
So that's why the atoms, Anu's
सेवा करना।
duty is to serve Vibhu.
समझ में आती?
Have you got it or not?
भगवान सबसे बृहद वस्तु
So that's why the Bhagwan is so big, Brahad.
इसलिए भगवान की कार्य का ब्रह्म का है।
That's why Bhagwan is saying Brahma.
ब्रह्म शब्द के अर्थ
So the meaning of Brahma, what is the meaning of Brahma? Brahad, very broad.
ब्रह्म शब्द नित्य।
So the Brahm Dhatu, Brahm is manifested.
उसकी अधिक हुई।
Who is not equal and more than him? That is Brahma.
जिसके भी बराबरी नहीं
Who is not equal to him?
और उनकी अधिक
Who is
है।
not? So there is no possibility to be higher than him.
इसलिए
That's why.
ब्रह्म शब्द मुख्य अर्थ कहे भगवान।
So the prior meaning of the Brahma,
शब्द की मुख्य अर्थ जो है प्रिंसिपल जो है मीनिंग क्या है?
so the principal meaning of Brahma, Bhagwan.
ब्रह्म शब्द मुख्य अर्थ कहे भगवान और उनके कोई अधिक कोई नहीं है। उनके
So
बराबर भी कोई।
nobody is equal to him and nobody is higher to him.
उनके श्रेष्ठ भी नहीं है, सब
Nobody is higher, nobody is equal to him.
है। इसमें जीव
That's why Jiva,
क्या है?
who is the Anu, very little Anu.
ये छोटे के कर्तव्य
That's why it is a duty of the little, that Anu, to serve the Vibhu, Bhagwan. In the Gita, Bhagwan is saying, Mami Vansha Jeev Loke Jeevo to Sanatana Manashashtani Prakustani Karishade.
हमसे के कर्तव्य है
Sorry.
पूर्ण के
So Ansha duties, it's a duty of participle to serve the part. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this shlok is saying, Nayanam Galashudharya Maranam Galadya. Hey Prabhu, so taking the shelter of your name, when I accept you are taking the shelter of your name, so my eyes must be filled up with tears, and my voice will be choked, and my body gets Ashta Sattvic Vikars.
आनंद से शरीर में अनेक प्रकार की जय भावों की विकास।
So when many kinds of bhav will be manifested in my heart with the pleasure, when my goosebumps will be straight, when I get the goosebumps in my body, this is called the Ashtasattva Vikar. 8 ecstatic symptoms. So when I chanting the name, so when the goosebumps will come, so when the eyes will be filled up with the tears,
वो दिन का
when that day will come. That's what it's saying. So this is the symptoms of love.
इसे कहे प्रेम धन बिना मोह व्यर्थ दरिद्र जीवन
So without the love, my life is wasted. Just like a pure man
धन की प्राप्ति करना
always want to get the money,
और धन के द्वारा ही वो
and by the money
सुख प्राप्त
he would like to get all kinds of comfort or pleasure.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
धन मुझे प्राप्ति
so after getting the prem rupi dhan, so my life will be successful.
और कैसे करें
So how is it possible?
आप मुझे अपने चरण कमल की
Hey Prabhu,
दास
please accept me as your lotus feet das.
अपने चरण रूप के क्या बना लीजिए
Please accept me as the servant of your lotus feet, please. No, I don't want nothing else.
सेवा करने तो कुछ पैसा देना पड़ेगा कि नहीं पड़ेगा
When you will become the das, when you will become the servant, so Malik will, the owner will, master will provide you money. Without money, nobody will work.
एक महीने नहीं दिया 2 महीने नहीं दिया
Maybe not 1 month, not 2 months, not 3 months.
और नहीं दिया तो आप थोड़ी
Then if somebody is not doing anything or not paying to you, so what, you will not work anymore. So that's why Mahaprabhu is saying here,
चरण को मुझे दास बनाना कि मुझे
please accept me as your das and give me the salary.
क्या करना दीजिए
So what the salary is?
हाँ
Prem dhan, the money of love.
इसे कहते प्रेम धन बिना मोह व्यर्थ
So that's why he's saying prem dhana bina mor daridra jivana. Only just I want.
प्रेम प्रेम धन बिना मोह व्यर्थ दरिद्र जीवन दास करी वेतन मोरे देह प्रेम धन भक्ति सब धीरे धीरे साधक के हृदय में उदित होता है
So then gradually the bhakti manifests in the heart of sadhak.
श्रद्धा
Shraddha, sadhu sanga, bhajan kriya, anartha nibrati,
अनंत नित्य
nishtha ruchi, asakti, bhava, prema.
प्रेम की उत्पत्ति की स्तर
So that the stage of manifesting love. Here is saying,
आदि श्रद्धा
Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha.
श्रद्धा उत्पन्न होता है
First you have to get the faith,
इसके बाद
and after that Sadhu Sangha, the association of the sadhus.
फिर
Then
भजन आदि श्रद्धा
you start performing bhajan,
भजन आदि करते हैं
and after that
भजन आदि करते
you perform bhajan means seva, the service.
श्रद्धा कतो साधु
Adu Shraddha Tato Sadhu Bhajan Kriti, Anartha Nivarti. Then gradually your unearth will be destroyed.
हृदय में जो मैल जो पड़ा हुआ
So the mud is the dust inside your heart, in your heart.
प्रकार की जो है
Just like many kinds of anarthas, kam, krodh, lomo, mad, matsarya. This anarthas is in your heart, so that you have to destroy that, clean your
काम
heart.
क्रोध आदि तो हम कैसे
So the kam, krodh, how we can remove that?
इसे किससे हम कैसे बचे
So how we can save ourselves from that? That's why Rupa Goswami Pad in the Upadeshamrita is saying, Vacho vegam mansa krodha vegam udaropastu vegam. Sashishyate. So he is capable to ruling on the earth, who has control his mind. Man. So the origin place of Kam, Krodh and all the vikars, it's by man, by heart. So by the mind, by the heart, we used to think that he is my enemy or shatru, enemy or friend. Even actually, nobody is your friend, nobody is your enemy. So by the man, we always think that he is my enemy or friend. Why? So somebody is favorable for my heart or mind, so he is my friend, and somebody who is not favorable for my mind, so he is my enemy.
देखो मन ही
So
बंधन के कारण
man is the source of binding and liberation.
बंधन ही होता है। मन ही जो है
Man, your heart, your mind is the cause of tiding and the salvation of.
इस संसार में हम जो माया
In these words we are saying Maya, Maya.
माया क्या है?
What is Maya?
मृत्यु अनैतिक
Mriti, Maya, Maya, Mriyate.
जो हम नाम लेते हैं।
So we can measure.
विचार आदि के द्वारा
So by our gross views, whatever we measure, so we call this is Maya.
मृत्यु अनैतिक
This is called Mriyate Aniti Maya.
मैं और मेरा प्रेम
Me and my, you and yours. This is Maya. This is mine, this is yours, this is Maya.
ये है इस युग माया का संसार में हम जो कुछ भी देते हैं
In this word, whatever you are saying,
और मेरा और तेरा देते हैं
so we are seeing that this is mine and yours. But when we left this body,
और 6 मिनट बाद रह जाए
everything will be here.
मेरा आत्मा कहाँ से
So where is my soul gone? Nobody knows.
जब तक इस शरीर में मेरा
Un-
आत्मा है
Until there is a body, soul in my body.
मैं और मेरा धर्म
So we always think that this is mine and mine. This is me and mine.
जब आत्मा इस शरीर को छोड़ करके चली जाए
When body left this body, when soul left this body,
हम भूल जाते हैं
so we forget all kinds of things which is belongs to this body.
अपने माता पिता भाई बहन
Our friend, our parents, brother, sister, and everybody who is our relatives, we have forgotten.
जिस शरीर में प्रवेश करते
So in which body we enter, the soul,
और उस शरीर के फिर
in that body,
आसक्ति बढ़ाएगी।
we got so much asakti with that body.
बाकी शरीर में आए
So now we are in this body.
इस शरीर में जब हम
So after that,
आत्मा से
we have man, buddhi, chitta, ahankara. So with the soul there is a
आत्मा चलती है।
subtle body.
जब तक स्थूल शरीर और सूक्ष्म शरीर दोनों जब तक समाप्त नहीं हो जाए
Until this gross body and the subtle body will not be destroyed, so you will not get the salvation or will not get the liberated. You will not be liberated.
बार बार इस संसार में
So with the sukshma, with the subtle body, we have to be in this material world again and again. So what is that subtle body? This man, buddhi, chitta, ahankar.
यही चलते जा रहा है।
This is all rolling on, rolling. This is ongoing. Man, buddhi, ahankar, or chitta.
ये सब समस्या
So this is the subtle body.
है। और इसी साथ अनेक प्रकार के तत्व अपने आप परिचित हो जाते हैं जुड़ जाते हैं
So with this subtle body, all kinds of ingredients connected, just like the Mahat Tattva, catch you.
तो उसी प्रकार जो है मैं मेरे करते हैं
So in this way, we always say me and mine.
इसी प्रकार कितने आए कितने चले
So that's why it's saying many comes, many goes.
इस संसार में
In this world,
आने वाले की कोई कमी नहीं
there is no shortage of getting birth in this world. From the starting of this Srishti,
इस संसार में
in this world, the
आना जरूरी
coming and going is happening in this world. Many people came, many people goes. Nobody knows where they has gone.
है बोले कहीं नहीं गए
Nowhere.
केवल एक शरीर
They are just changing the body only.
जब वो शरीर में रहते हैं
When they live in that body,
शरीर संबंध वस्तु में
so they have the attachment with the belongings to that body and that body and the things which is belong to that body. They have the attachment of this kinds.
यही अनंत काल से हम
And this is happening in this word Ananta Kala, from the infinite years.
किंतु
But
आत्मा
but the soul
शुद्ध और परिशुद्ध है
is pure and pious.
वास्तव रूप में
In fact,
आत्मा जो है कोई
the
कोई
soul
परिशुद्ध नहीं
is never cultivated.
है केवल उसके ऊपर से एक ढक्कन लग गया
It is only covered by that lid.
आत्मा चित होने के नाते
Atma is a chid,
अभी तक
soul is a chid,
आत्मा कैसे
Atma is chid. It's very transcendental.
इसलिए आत्मा जिस होने के नाते
That's why being the transcendental, it is always pious.
आत्मा पवित्र नहीं होती।
Atma never be,
हम लोग अपने शब्दों के द्वारा कहते हैं आत्मा दूषित हो गया।
sometimes we used to say that Atma, the soul is cultivated. So this is just for the make the people understand.
किंतु वास्तव
But in fact, the soul never, Atma, the soul is transcendental, very pious, very clean, pious, pure and pious.
उसके ऊपर माया के
It is covered by the lid of Maya.
जैसे छोटा एक बॉक्स है,
Just like there is a little box, so in that there is a valuable things. In the same way,
और उस बॉक्स के ऊपर अनेक प्रकार धूल
so on that box there are many kinds of dust is there. Collect.
ठीक उसी
In
प्रकार
the same way,
आत्मा सदा
the soul is always pious, pure and pious. It is not cultivated.
क्योंकि ये जड़
Cultivated.
इतने वस्तु जो है आत्मा को प्रकट नहीं कर सकते। आत्मा से
Cover,
आत्मा
cover,
को जो है
cover नहीं कर
स्पर्श नहीं कर सकते।
touch नहीं कर सकती. Though the material things, the jada vastu cannot touch the soul,
ना उसके ठंडी लगता है ना उसके गर्म
because
लगता है।
the soul never feels cold or hot. It is always Sanatan, the eternal.
इसलिए आत्मा के बारे में भगवान
That's why Bhagavan saying in the Gita about the Atma, the air cannot touch that Gita. So the water cannot wet that, the fire cannot burn that, the air cannot dry that, because it cannot touch that. So this Panch Bhautik Vastu, this is material, and the soul is transcendental. It's Chinmay. This is Cheda. That's why the transcendental things cannot be mixed up with the material things. Just like giving the example, if you put a drop of oil on the water, so the water and oil cannot be mixed up each other. So the drop of that oil will be on the water. In the same way, the soul is pure and pious, and the duty of the nature of the soul is to serve Bhagwan, Prabhu. So externally put that covered by the Maya, the soul has forgotten the Bhagwan. Why? Why it is forgotten? Because Jeev is so much little, Anu. That's why Maya has covered the soul. Just like in the explanation of Vedanta, just like a little loins baby. भेड़ को क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know. भेड़. Just like a loins baby, it is covered by the gods, you can say. So when this little child of baby of loins, when they roar, so all the gods went away. In the same way, the Jeev is very little. That's why it is covered by Maya. भेड़ के साथ. So शेर, बच्चे. So now the soul is compared with the loins baby, and the Maya is compared by the gods. So when the Jeeves got the Chidval, the transcendental power, so by the mercy of Sadhu Guru Vaishnava, so he got the transcendental power, so he just roared like very loudly. Suniya Govinda Rabda Plavisa Singha Rabe Yata Harihar.
जैसे शेर के
Just
हुंकार
like
सुनते ही
when the lion roars,
जंगल में बड़े-बड़े
all the wild animals in the forest, elephant like elephant,
जंगल के तोड़ते मोड़ते हुए
they went away from the forest.
पूंछ को ऊपर करके जैसे
They up their tails and ran away.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, when Jeev,
जब भगवान की चित बल को प्राप्त
when he get the transcendental power, the Chitwal,
है, इस चित बल कैसे प्राप्त
so how he can get the by the mercy? How they can get the Chitwal by the Nam Sankirtan.
ये नाम ही संकीर्तन के द्वारा
So by this Nam Sankirtan, they get the Chitwal in their heart.
मेरे शास्त्र में इसलिए कहते हैं, नाम तो लेने क्यों कहा
That's why it is saying the Shastra. Why it is saying for the taking the shelter of chanting the name, because by performing the Nam, Hari Nam Sankirtan, you will get the Chidwal, the transcendental power. Just like you are feeding, so you get power in your body. You are eating food and you are getting power in your body. You can stand everywhere. You can be powerful.
है, जैसे आप दूसरे बर्तन आप खाते नहीं कम खाते
Just like you are so thin, so you are not eating. And if you are eating too much, then it's not digestible. So you should eat more.
है, भोजन क्या करो
So you should
भोजन नहीं करो
take the
तो
food.
तुम्हारा शरीर
If you not take the food, so your body will not be healthy. So that's why we should take food.
है, तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning?
जीव
Jeev
बहुत है
is very little Anu,
तो जब हरि
but
नाम करते
when he perform Harinam while chanting the name, so he get the transcendental power, the Chitwal.
हैं, जब जीव चित बल को जब
When
प्राप्त कर
Jeev get the Chitwals after getting the transcendental power,
चित बल को जब प्राप्त कर लेते
when he
हैं
get the transcendental power, the Chitwal, so then
उनकी हुंकार से
so he get the roar
माया
and the Maya disappear.
इसलिए
That's why.
चित बल प्राप्त करने को
So after getting the transfer, what is the cause or what is the solution of getting the transcendental power? Harinam, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
हरे हरे
Hare Ram, Hare
हरे
Ram.
राम 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 हरे हरे एक चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
है, बता
is telling here,
हे प्रभु
Hey
अब
Prabhu,
मेरा ऐसे दिन
when I will get the day,
ये आपने
then
नाम
and I will accept the holy name, when I will chant the holy name of yours, and I chanting the name of why the Shuddhanam, when chanting the holy name, you
शुद्ध नाम ग्रहण
Shuddhanam. So what are the symptoms of Shuddhanam?
कैसे समझे नहीं हमारे शुद्ध
Shuddhanam.
नाम हो रहा है
आंखों से अश्रुधारा बहेगी, the tears will be filled
एक
out.
होता है नामापराध
So what is Namavara?
नामाभास और एक होता है शुद्ध
First is Namapra, second is Namavas, and third is Shuddhanam. So what are the symptoms of Shuddhanam? He is describing.
आंखों से आंसू
Your eyes will be filled up with tears. The goosebumps will comes in your body.
इसे कहते हैं मेरे हे नाथ
That's why it is saying, Hey Nath, taking your names.
है मेरे दोनों आंख जो है वो शुद्ध यानी आंसू के द्वारा
When my eyes will be filled up with the tears while chanting your name,
और मेरा
and
गला कैसे हो जाए
when my throat will be
है,
choked,
बाप का निशान समय है ऐसे तो
when it will be happen. And the third is
मेरे शरीर में
goosebumps.
रोमांच होता
When the goosebumps will comes in my body, romanchakam pashu taranga bhaje vande guru shri charana. This is the three symptoms he is telling here. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Mahaprabhu is saying, this is the symptoms of Lakshana, or this is the symptoms of love. So without the prem, without the love, so in this world we don't want anything of this material world. We want the premadhan. This is our assets. No problem. Everything is okay here. Everything is okay. No problem.
भजनम तथा अविद्या अविद्या रूप अनंत नाशम तत्व निष्ठा तत्व रुचि तत्व आसक्ति तत्व भाव
भाव
इति भावनी सारवृत्ति सहेन जीव स्वरूप विकासम परम धर्मस्य प्रमुख इति गच्छित। ये सब भाव कैसे आए?
So how will get this all kinds of bhav? So the Swarup Shakti Shravamani Srimati Radhika Rani,
आनंद शक्ति की अधिष्ठात्री देवता
so
कौन है?
she is the pleasure potency of Srimati Radhika Rani.
ये जो श्रद्धा उत्पन्न होना,
So when getting the faith, where it is coming from? So by until the Radha Rani is mercied, it is not possible that you can develop the Shraddha.
इन्हें यहाँ पर
That's why.
आत्मिक शक्ति सार वृत्ति
So Haladini Shakti Swarupa Srimati Radhika Rani.
श्रीमती राधा की कृपा से
So by the mercy of her,
सब जीव के हृदय में
so then Jiva get the Shraddha in their heart.
और श्रद्धा आदि की धीरे धीरे और भी प्राप्ति करते
So
क्या
after
होता है?
getting the Shraddha,
संग,
he gets Sadhu Sangha,
फिर श्रवण कीर्तन
Shravan Kirtan,
फिर
etc.
नवजात
Following limbs of following 9 limbs of bhakti. Then
भजन चाहिए।
this is the bhajan. What is the bhajan? This is bhajan. Shravan Kirtan is also is bhajan.
फिर उसके बाद स्वरूप ज्ञान
Then after that Swarup Gyan.
से अनर्थ निवृत्ति होता है।
So after getting the Swarup Gyan, realization his own transcendental form, and all the anarth will be removed.
संसार की नित्यता अनित्य के बारे में जो ज्ञान है,
So when he get the knowledge that what is true and what is untrue,
नित्य और अनित्य वस्तु के प्रति ज्ञान जब तक नहीं
when he get this kinds of knowledge that this material world is not true, it's not permanent, it's temporary.
सत्य बोली इस संसार में भी माया में मुक्त होकर के जो असत्य वस्तु है, those are untruth, उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Untrue.
That is truth.
So the things which is in this material world not permanently, not true. So the jeev thinks that it is true. So he thinks like that. महाराज जी राधे राधे, बोलो दंडवत प्रणाम, बोलो गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल।
असत्य रे
असत्य रे सत्य जानी सत्य करी मानी means the thing which is not true in this world. So he thinks it's true.
उसका मान सकते हैं।
So we are thinking, we are have this,
बोलना कितने सवाल है।
thinking in mind. So saying this it is very easy,
किंतु उसके अनुभव में
but realization of this is very hard.
सत्य वस्तु की कोई विनाश नहीं है।
So there is no destroyation of the true
विनाशी और
things, and the asat vastu, the untrue things is changeable.
वस्तु की विनाश नहीं, परिवर्तन नहीं है।
There is no change in the true things, and the asat vastu, which is untrue, it is destroyable and temporary, changeable.
जैसा हमारी शरीर क्या है?
Just like
हमारी शरीर जो है,
this our body,
शरीर परिवर्तन होते जा रहा है।
it is changeable.
और रोज हर सेकंड में
every second, every day, it's getting changeable.
आप बता ठीक है?
Is it true or not? Tell me.
और हर रोज
And every day
कैसे होती है?
it is just every day it is deteriorating, destroy. Sometimes it is increasing, then destroy. When you are getting so much food, delicious food, you get power in your body, you get fat,
फिर शरीर खराब
and
हो
after
जाता है।
that when you're
दो चार बार लैट्रिन में गए,
when you go to toilet for 3-4 times, so you will be thin, you will feel so much weakness,
गाल जो है,
your cheeks will be weak, stick,
शरीर क्षीण हो जाता है।
so your body will become weak that time. So this is the nature of this body.
खैसनू और बढ़ती है। खैसनू यानी खर्च आपके
So it is destroyable, and then
बढ़ जाता है, इससे
it will increase and then destroy it. So this is getting in this body. Sometimes you feel so much weakness, sometimes you feel so much powerful, but the soul is permanent.
फिर तो आगे आत्मा की उपलब्धि नहीं
But we are not getting the relation of the soul, so that's why we are covered with this body.
और इस शरीर से हम सोच रहे हैं,
So we are thinking this body is mine, this is my soul.
आत्मा इतने सूक्ष्म होने के
Atma
नाते
is very, very sushma. It's we cannot see that. It's very very literal, and the Atma, the soul is transcendental. That's why we are not seeing by this material eyes. The soul is very very sushma, like very very little. You cannot see that. Balakrashat bhaga. It means that 1,000th part of how long the soul is. Your hair. So the tip of the hair, and so you cut the tip of the hair 100 times, and then cut it to 100 times again, so that it is small, that the size of the soul. How you can see that? If you take the tip of your hair and then you cut it on the 100 times, and then after that you get one piece and cut it into 100 times, this is the size of the soul. So that's why the soul is very very little, very 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 little. And the second thing, Atma, the soul is transcendental. That's why you cannot see by the material eyes. This is the reason behind. That's why I am not saying, because I am. That's why we cannot see, because we have the material eyes. But so that's why people doesn't read trust like that there is a thing, something like soul. Who has seen the soul? Who has seen the soul? Nobody. That's why people used to say like this, where it is lives, where it resides, what it does. So people does argument like this. They arise the question, this is the body is everything. पुनरागमन कुता यावत जीवन चारवाक statement. He used to say Javat Jivan Sukham Jivan. The Nirvisheshwadi Charvak, he used to say Yavat Jivan Sukham Jivan Rana Kitva Gitam Rived Basmi Bhutasya Dehasya Punaragaman Kuta. There is no soul pole, nothing, no Bhagwan, no Atma, nothing. This is the body only. There is one body and mind only. So by the body and mind you can just get the pleasure only. How you can get the pleasure? Yavat Jivat Sukham Jivat. Earn the money. Earn the money as much as you can. If you are not getting the money, then snatch and robbed everybody, another person. Take the land, borrow, debt. Take the debt, borrow, and there is no need to repay the money when you are taking borrow. So until you are living, always take the ghee, always drink the ghee, do everything what you want. That's why Ranakitva, if you don't have the money for buying ghee, so just take the money, borrow, and then buy the ghee, then get the comforts. If you are not getting money, if you don't have money, then borrow the other person and get all the ingredients of all the assets of the comforts. So that's why who knows that after that what is going to happen. That's why before until you have life, you just always busy yourself, engage yourself in the sense gratification, all the comforts. When this body will be destroyed, so who will come to repay this or the borrows of everybody? So why are you worrying? This is the statement of Charvak. That's why Yavat Jivan Sukham Jivit Ran Kitva Gatam Paved Basmi Bhutasya Dehasya Punaragaman Kuta. This is the Nastikvada. Atheistness. This is atheist, Nastik. So how we get these kinds of sense gratification, sense enjoyments when we don't trust on Bhagwan, right? So and when we don't trust that there is other planets like who is Swarga, Narka, who has seen the Swarga, so who has seen the Vaikuntha of Dham, Bhagwan Dham. That's why the Nasti people used to say. So some Brahman has written this philosophy, Veda Purana, Upanishad,
और छुपा करके लोगों ने
and they have printed it and distributed amongst the people.
वीर भोगा वसुंधरा
Veerabhagya Vasundhara,
वीर भोगा
Veerabhagya Vasundhara.
वीर पुरुष जो है
Who is the powerful person?
सब कुछ
He can
भोग करता है।
do every kinds of enjoy.
रावण ने किया
Just like Rama did. He was powerful, so that's why he will engage himself in the sense gratification.
सभी
So who is the powerful? He can get every kinds of enjoyment.
जैसे वीर बनो
That's why you must be powerful.
भोग करना है
If you want to get that sense enjoyment, so you have to be powerful.
जो जितना ही शक्ति
So the more you will be powerful, the more you will get the pleasure.
इसलिए शक्ति के ग्रहण
That's why
शक्तिमान के लिए
get the power. That's why get the power. What is in the nitis of Ravana, that he is kidnapping Sita.
शक्ति
Shaktiman is Bhagwan Ramchand and Shakti is Sita ji. So he has snatched the Shakti. He has kidnapped the Shakti. So we will destroy the Shaktiman.
शक्ति के जब ले लेते हैं
So when we take the power of Shakti, so we can destroy the Shaktiman. So this is the meaning of Sita Harana, kidnapping Sita. That's Shakti. We have kidnapped the Shakti.
शक्ति के द्वारा ही
So after the power, by the power we can get enjoyment.
इसलिए शक्ति के ग्रहण
So that's why accept the power.
और शक्ति के ग्रहण करके शक्तिमान को विनाश
So after accepting the power, you have to destroy the Shaktiman.
रामचंद्र क्या है
So what is Ramchand? Ramchand is Shaktiman.
और सीता देवी
And who is Sita? Sita ji is Shakti, the power.
शक्तिमान से शक्ति को हम
So if we separate the Shakti from the Shaktiman, then we will be powerful. This is the Ravana Niti, philosophy of Ravana. This is called Asura Niti, the demon's philosophy.
ये समस्त नीति की उत्पत्ति वही चार बात से आई
So these all kinds of philosophy coming from the Charvak, Nirvisheshvad.
है किंतु वास्तव शुद्ध विचार में देखिए
So if we get the pure
शक्ति
philosophy,
हम प्राप्त करें कौन सा शक्ति चित शक्ति
if we get the transcendental power,
है चित शक्ति का हम प्राप्त करें
how we can we should get the transcendental power. Jeev is very little.
उसके क्या चाहिए
So what he needs the transcendental power.
छीन होने के लिए माया उसको गिरते हुए
So he has a power, but it is very little. That's why Maya has caught him. But if he get the transcendental power much, so what he will do? He will broken all the boundaries of Maya.
क्या शक्ति चाहिए चित शक्ति
That's why he needs the transcendental power.
बोला हिने न रखो
Balahinana labhya, without the bal.
बल ही नहीं व्यक्ति कोई वस्तु प्राप्ति नहीं करता
So the person who is powerless, he cannot attain any kinds of things.
बल क्या चीज
Chitbal. So that's why we need the power. What is that power? This is transcendental power.
ये चित बल
So after getting this transcendental power, how we can get it? Haladani. So why the mercy of Srimati? Haladani Shakti Swarupa Srimati Radhika Rani. So we get this, the transcendental power by Srimati Radhika Rani.
और
Mercies.
ये है क्या चित बल कैसे प्राप्त करेंगे ना साधु संग के
So how we will get this transcendental power? By the association of sadhu. Sadhu Sangha.
साधयति इति
Sadhyati iti sadhu.
साधु
Who is sadhu?
साधु
Who has always control everything in his life. Sadhu means control. He has control. Who has controlled their minds and senses. This is called a sadhu. Sadhyati is the sadhu.
गृहस्थ व त्यागी
Wherever he is grast or tyagi, it doesn't matter.
साधु साधु
Sadhyati iti sadhu.
संस्कृत में संस्कृत अर्थ होता है
Sadh means control.
साधना के द्वारा साधना के द्वारा
So the sadhu means by the performing sadhana, who controls the minds and senses.
तो मन में जो वस्तु होते हैं वो साधु नहीं है वो साधु
Who is not controlling the chitta or the minds and senses, he is not the sadhu, he is a sadhu.
संग करते हैं
We always see the sadhu sangha.
पहले साधु किसको कहते हैं
So who is sadhu? First we have to understand this. Who is sadhu?
इसलिए रूप से बात पहले
That's why Rupa Goswami Pad is saying, Vacho Vegam Mansa Krodha Vegam Udar Upastha. So has controlled these 6 things. ही साधु काम क्रोध लोभ मद मात्सर्य वाद मनसा क्रोध उदरपस्तु वेगम.
ये 6 वेग को जिन्होंने
So who has controlled these 6 vegas?
वास्तविक रूप से साधु नहीं
So who hasn't controlled these 6 vegas? He is not the sadhu.
शास्त्र में
It is in the scripture. It is said.
थोड़ी सी समय साधु संग करने पर
So by the little bit association of sadhu, you can get everything.
इसमें साधु किसको कहा
So that's why who is sadhu?
जिन्होंने
Who has controlled these 6 things?
इंद्रियों के जैसे
Who has controlled the sense? Who has controlled his senses?
काम क्रोध आदि
Who has controlled the काम, क्रोध, love, मोह, मद, मात्सर्य?
इसलिए लोगों को सभी
That's why Rupa Goswami is saying in the first shloka. Vacho mego
बात एक मनुष्य सुनो एकम ध्यान एकम
Udaropastu vegam
एतान एकम उच्चते दिरो सर्वाम एकम पृथ्वी
Sashyeta.
पृथ्वी सबसे पृथ्वी को
Who can make the disciple of whole earth. He can control all the earth.
जो शासक होता है
He is the ruler. He can rule over the
अगर
world.
अपने इंद्रियों के जो शासन
Who has control? Who is not able to control their senses? They cannot rule.
जो नेता बनता है
Who has become a leader? Who become a leader?
वो यदि अपने इंद्रियों के वश में
If he is not control his senses, own senses,
कैसे हो
so how he can rule others? How they will rule the country?
इसलिए
That's why
उसको क्या होना
he must be.
हाँ वो व्यक्ति सदाचार
That
सदाचार व्यक्ति केवल नेता बन सकता है
so the Sajachar people can be the leader
दूसरे को परिचालन करता
who can control the
है
others,
सदाचारी व्यक्ति
and the Sadachari person
है दूसरे को परिचालन नहीं करता
cannot rule others.
और सदाचारी व्यक्ति और सदाचार व्यक्ति को परिचालन करते हैं सीधी बात
Huh?
समझ में आया
You have seen this world, the Asadachari persons always rule over the Sadachar. Who is following Sadachar?
अपने आचरण के द्वारा
By their nature, by their behavior, by their character.
दिखाते हैं कि मैं कैसे करता हूं।
This shows to other person that what I am doing, you should follow that. And the
और सदाचारी व्यक्ति के ऊपर वो दिखाते हैं
and other Asadachari Vyakti always used Adasari person, they rule over the Sadachari person.
शराब पीने वाला
The person who is drinking alcohol,
उनके सामने कौन होता है
who will be with him?
ये अपन लोग
Oh, the drunkards always with him, just like what he is doing, so he will get the same company.
जो गांजा भांग आदि
Who is taking ganja bhang and madak padhartha,
खोजते हैं
they search the people like their association.
तो ये व्यक्ति काम कभी कभी हम लोग ट्रेन में
Sometimes
जाते
we
हैं,
used to go by the train.
जो बीड़ी
So
से
people
वाले
he used to take bidi.
महात्मा जी आपके पास मचीस है
So they used to ask them, Mahatma ji, do you have the matchstick, matchbox? Then what you will do?
पहले तो बोले हम डूब जा रहे हैं
So first they used to say that we will light a lamp, like
कौन सा डूब
which dhupa, which lamp? So they will say cigarette or bidi. They used to take cigarette or bidi.
पूछते रहते हैं
So they used to ask several
वो
times.
सोचता है कि हम जैसे साधु है लाल कपड़ा लेकर भी साधु है ये हमारे वहाँ की है
So they used to think that we have put in the saffron cloth. So I'm taking the bidi or cigarette. So this sadhu must be taking. So that's why they used to take the person who's taking cigarettes. So they must have the matchbox. So
धीरे आपके पास में चीज आप लोग बीच
So the-
ऐसे मौके पे दिखा दें ये वाला
So the people who are smoking. So what happened? They think he is just like mind nature. He's mind company's member. So they used to talk with them. Then they started talking. So they will get the association of that person. So they like to the association of that kind of person.
हर पक्षी जो है अपने अपने पक्षी समाज में रहना चाहते हैं
There's a proverb in English that every bird like to live in this own.
हैं? ये नियम होता
This is the rules.
है काम क्रोधी आदि व्यक्ति उसी
The
प्रकार
person who is calm krodhi, he will always like the association of the calm krodhi person. So what kind of swabhav you have?
स्वभाव पर व्यक्ति अपने स्वभाव व्यक्ति को ढूंढता है।
He like the same kinds of nature person.
स्वभाव जैसे जैसे स्वभाव व्यक्ति
So what kinds of behavior nature you have, you will like the same nature's
उसी
person.
प्रकार स्वभाव व्यक्ति को ढूंढता है।
He will find out the kinds of nature's people who is who is taking ganja, smoking cigarettes. So he will find out the person who is taking the ganja and bhang and smoking here. So he will search out for that person. So the person who is performing bhajan sadhan, they will like to get the company of the person who is sadhu.
बात करना चाहते हैं।
They would like to be isolated place so that they can perform bhajan sadhan nicely.
ये सारी
So this is spontaneous nature.
देखा देखा मैं समय के नष्ट क्यों करूं?
So they think like, why should I waste my time here and there? I should perform bhajan sadhan. चलो आरती की तैयारी करो.
है कि नहीं?
It's true or not? You look.
इसमें हमें क्या चाहिए?
So what we need?
चिद बल।
That's we need the transcendental power, the Chitwar.
इसमें
So
इसी श्लोक में महाप्रभु
in the Shlok Mahaprabhu is saying,
ये आदमी
Haladin Shakti Shropi Srimati Radhika Rani verses by the mercy of Srimati Radhika.
विकास रूप पर धर्मस्थ क्रमम ही लक्ष्यति।
Ki Lakshati.
जीव
Jeev,
उसी प्रकार
in the
से
same way,
साधु संगाति
he gets the Sadhu Sangha.
है। धीरे-धीरे
By
जीव
the
बल
association
होता
of Sadhu, he gets the transcendental power.
है। क्यों जब तक हम
Until we will not get the transcendental power, we will not get the association of Sadhu. I have already told who is Sadhu. Now I am telling, if you are not getting the association of sadhus, then you will not get the transcendental power.
जो पहले
Who has control his senses.
जो है
Who is sadhu? Sadhu means who has controlled his senses.
इसे उसने पहली श्लोक में कहा
That's why Rupa Goswami Padi in the Bhakti Rasam Sindhu Updeshamrat he said, if you want to become the sadhu, first you have to control your senses. How we control the senses? Vacho vegam, manasa krodha vegam, jiva vegam, udrupastha vegam, vedani devana.
किंतु देखो इस श्लोक में
But look, in the shloka,
भगवान के बारे में
he is not talking about the bhakti or Bhagwan.
तो ये श्लोक से मैं पूछता हूं बात
So,
क्यों
why this shlok quoted by the Rupa Goswami Pad?
बताए? तो उसके संदर्भ में कहा जाता है देखो
So, in the reference of that, there is karmis, gyanis, yogis, and the ordinary peoples who is living in the society,
सनातनी गति
who is following such sadachar in the society.
आप साधु को क्यों नहीं पालन करोगे?
So, why you won't be the follow these rules of being a sadhu?
क्योंकि
Because
जो धर्मात्मा होते
who is the dharmatma?
धर्म के देश आदि ग्रहण करते हैं समाज के लोग उसको श्रेष्ठ मानते हैं
So the dharmatma, the people who is getting the who is following the dharmas,
इसको आदर करते हैं
so the orange walon ko,
है?
saffron.
लाल कपड़े पहनते हैं।
So the people who are brahmachari who is taking the white dress, they always pay the respect to the saffron cloths.
आप लाल कपड़े पर पहन के जाओ
And if you
महात्मा जी आप कहते हैं।
go to somewhere putting the saffron cloths, the people will ask you, oh, how Mahatma ji, how are you? आप कैसे हैं? How are you?
कपड़े पहन के जाओ
And if you wherever you, if you put on saffron cloths, so the people used to say he is sadhu.
है कि नहीं?
Is it true or not? Yes, it's true.
इसमें साधु वेश
That's why sadhu wears.
देश के महत्व की कम नहीं है।
So that's the dress is also, there is the importance of dress.
वेश धारण करने से
So when you are getting the dress,
एक अपने आप हृदय में एक अभिमान भी आता है।
so you get this kinds of ego. You will get when you sit on the Raj Singhasan and you get the crown of Raja. So this point they have this kinds of ego that I am the king. In the same way,
और मेरे कर्तव्य क्या है?
and what is my duty?
प्रजाओं को ठीक-ठीक रूप से
To rule over the rules over the subject nicely. This is my Raja Dharma.
राजधर्म से भगवान राम
That's why Bhagwan Ramchandra
है, यही दिखाया
he showed that
है। लव कुश ने पूछा
when Lakush asked,
है, ये कौन सा धर्म है एक नारी को असहाय
So what kind of dharma it is that you have, give up your lady
आपने देखा
who was alone. You have seen in the Ramayana. So what Ramchandra replied?
अरे राज
This is the Raj Dharma. This is the duty of a Raja, being a king. This is my duty.
मेरे धर्म का अपने पति पुत्र स्त्री आदि के सब कुछ
So for the comfort or for the pleasure of the subjects, a king has to give up their wives, children, and everything which is against of the subjects'
क्योंकि जब वो राज गद्दी में जब बैठे
pleasure.
उससे शपथ लेना
So whenever we sit on the Raj Gaddi, the sit on the king, so it is a law of India's rule. So whenever the person becomes the prime Mukhyamantri, the CM, the chief minister, so he has to follow, he has to take an oath that I will follow all the instructions of the constitution. He has to tell the Rajapal. He used to tell everything to him. He make him take an oath,
प्रधानमंत्री जब बनते
and when he become the prime minister, when he take an oath, so then Rashtrapati take him oath.
हैं भले ही आप दो बार तीन बार प्रधानमंत्री
Whether you are 2 times or 3 times doesn't matter, but every time when you will go there, you repeat. They will repeat and take an oath. They has to read that things again and again, that you have to follow the constitution. You have to take an oath.
यदि ये नियम उसमें भी नेगेटिव भी लिखा रहता है
There are many things in negative.
पालन नहीं किया
If I am not following these rules, then I will left this further designation. I will resign.
देखो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी ऐसे नियम
So it is mentioned in the constitution too. हे
तो
भगवान.
कहने के मेरे तात्पर्य है
So I mean to say,
राजा
just like a king,
राज सिंहासन में जब बैठे
when he sit on the crowns on the Singhasan, Raj Singhasan, so he has to follow the Raj Dharma.
भगवान रामचंद्र यही कहते
As Bhagwan Ramchand told us this same things.
हैं। ये कौन सा ये तो असहाय स्त्री को आपने तय किया।
So the Lord asked that why did you give up the lady who hasn't anything? So Ramchandra said this is the Raj Dharma. I has to follow all the Raj Dharma. I has to follow the Raj Dharma.
ये हमारे
Raj Dharma. Lord asked why have you gave up your lady, wife Sita ji?
जिंदगी लगा बिगड़ ये बात क्या हम जानते हैं
We know
हैं? अच्छी बुरी सब जानते हैं।
we know everything what is good and bad, but if we follow the Raj Dharma, so we have to if we are struggle in the Raj Dharma, everybody knows that Sita is pious. See, Ramchandra is aware about the Sita ji is pious or not, but following the Raj Dharma, he has to did it.
असली सितारा तो उनके पास है
Ramji knows everything. She has a Asli Sita. The Sita was kidnapped, so Ramchand knew,
रामचंद्र भगवान
because Ramchand is Bhagwan, and the Ramchand himself,
असली सितारा जो उन्हीं से दिया
he take out the real Sita from the fire. So but why Ramchand has give up the Sita ji by the publics after saying the public? Because he would like, this is a niti, because he want to follow the Raj Dharma.
और सीता देवी स्वयं ही
And Sita Devi herself said,
रामचंद्र तब भी सीता जी के वन में
and Ramchand didn't allow to go to in the forest to Sita Devi.
स्वयं सीता
And
जी
then Sita Devi herself.
देखो आप जब सिंहासन में जब बैठे
So when you will sit on the Singhasan, the Raj Singhasan, all the subject who is sitting here,
जितने उनके कुल देवता आदि
all the Kul Devtas.
आपने इन लोगों के साथ क्या प्रतिज्ञा किया
So what the oath you have taken with them,
एक राजा के धर्म
that I will follow the Raja Dharma, what the duty of a king. So Raja is just like a sannyasi. It is mentioned very nicely in the Ramayana.
राजा एक सन्यासी के भांति
Raja is just like a sannyasi.
सन्यासी क्या है
What is sannyasi? Who is sannyasi?
उसके आपन और थॉट नहीं जानता
He doesn't have apan mind, and this mind, and this is yours. He doesn't have this kinds of feelings in the heart.
नहीं रहता है निरपेक्ष होते हैं
Mine and yours. He is always nirpeksha, stable.
नहीं हो,
because if he is not nirpeksha,
निरपेक्ष ना मिले धर्म रखना चाहिए।
if he'll want it stable, because the Sita Devi herself told to Ramchandra that if you are not following the Rajdharma, then all the Kul Devta and will scold you, because they are the evidence. Because when you take the oath that I will be follow the Rajdharma, so if you won't follow this, so they will scold you, they will tease you.
नहीं कहेंगे ये मैं छोड़ के भी चले जा रहा हूं, चलो मेरे पत्नी को मेरे नहीं कर सकते, आपको पालन करना।
So you have to follow the Rajdharma. So Sita Devi said herself these words. How beautiful that.
लोग रामचंद्र को दोष लगाते हैं,
People always blame to Ramchandra that Ramchandra gave up the Sita ji. No, this and that.
रामचंद्र के ऊपर
They always blame to Ramchandra. Is it sad?
आज तक नहीं
Even today,
लगाते हैं,
people used to say like this.
राम ऐसे कैसे
That why the Ram did this? Why they have give up?
जब सैनिक जानते हैं तो हजार लोग कुछ बोले,
What was the fault of Sita ji? But he knew everything. He knew everything. So,
किंतु भगवान रामचंद्र
but Bhagwan Ramchandra,
याद दिलाए,
he reminded to Sita Devi
क्या आप इसके पूर्वज,
that you are the forefather of
आपके पूर्वज जो है
your Purvaj. You look at your Purvaj, the forefathers, who is stable, who is sitting there. Sita ji, tell him that look, those.
आपने सनातन बैठने के पहले ही शपथ लिया,
So you have taken note on the sitting on this seat. हे
और
भगवान.
आप क्या रघुकुल रीति की सदा
This is why रघुकुल रीति पर चले प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए.
रामचंद्र भी इतने ही हो गए, देखो अपने भाइयों को भी करने लगे, ये भरत
हे रामचंद्र.
तो ये राजभाग देश उसमें लिखा है, वो भी रामचंद्र स्वयं निर्णय नहीं ले,
So Ramchandra didn't decide this himself. He was unable to take the decision. So that's why
सीता जी कब नहीं,
Sita ji.
सीता जी अपने गुप्तचरों के द्वारा रामचंद्र की
अरे
ये क्यों रामचंद्र मेरे पति ने इतने विचलित मन क्यों है, हृदय की क्यों खोल दी, तो सीता जी ने की,
So
उन्हें अपने गुप्तचरों के द्वारा
when Ramchand came out and he was so much sad, so Sita ji, she came to know that there is something mishappening here. So that's why she, all the dasis, then Sita Devi gave the instruction to their dasi to go and find out what is the reason that Ramchand is sad. Maybe somebody said something wrong to him.
साथ देना ही मेरे पास,
So I have to give,
मेरे पति राजा है,
because my husband is a king, so I have to participate with the. So what is my duty?
धर्म में
So I have to participate in the dharma of pati.
राजधर्म को स्वीकार,
So I have to follow the Rajdharma too. This is the duty of a wife of a king.
इसलिए सीता
That's why Sita Devi.
कहा जाता है, सीता जी स्वयं ही बने,
So that's why Sita Devi herself, went to one.
और से तो लीला आदि का दिया,
So it is externally there are so much leelas that Lakshman has taken away. No. But actually the thing is, Sita Devi went away herself. Nobody, take her, give the. Nobody told her to go.
देखो लक्ष्मण छोड़ना नहीं चाहते,
Lakshman doesn't want to leave her.
जब लक्ष्मण लेकर के बल
When Lakshman was carrying her to Balmiki's ashram,
रोने,
and Lakshman was crying,
सीता जी एक रेखा दिखे, ये लक्ष्मण इस रेखा को पार,
and Sita Devi draw a line that, oh Lakshman, please don't come cross this line, because
जब लक्ष्मण ने खींचा था,
in the Dankaranya, Lakshman draw a line that please do not cross that. And here Sita Devi draw a line and said, oh Lakshman, don't cross it. This is the duty of your of you, that you have to serve your brother. So there are many kinds of lessons out there in the Ramayana, so we have to follow that. चलो भैया आरती की तैयारी करो.
इसे कहते हैं
That's why it is
कानून
saying.
के लक्षण जो बता
So the symptoms of sadhu,
कितने लक्षण बता
6 लक्षण.
है,
There are how many symptoms? 5.
5 क्या
अब वो मैं भूल गया, 5 थे. सत्य ऐसे कर नहीं सत्यम स्वचम तो ब्राह्मण का ही है, 5 थे। मैंने देखा था गूगल पे, मिला नहीं मुझे। इन द श्रीमद् भागवतम, और नोट करना प्लीज। इन द श्रीमद् भागवतम इज डिस्क्राइब्ड what kinds of symptoms of sadhu. Oh, please note down. It's not easy to become a sadhu. Just take the saffron cloth and become a sadhu. There. So you have to take there what one long time you have to spend become a sadhu. वो देखो 5 लक्षण, 5 लक्षण कौन से? Okay, I will remind, let you know. Sadhu Lakshmana, the symptoms of sadhu, and all the Lakshman is in Yudhishthir Maharaj in the Bhagavatam. These 5 symptoms it's in Yudhishthir Maharaj have. Hey Bhagwan. Okay, I will remind you later. So now Gaur Premanandi, Hari Hari Bol. Now आरती की तैयारी, it is not easy. चलो भाई आरती की तैयारी करो। कृष्णा हरिते चतुर्मुख, चलो आरती की तैयारी। चतुर्मुख, हरि भगवान, थैंक यू सो मच, हरि बोल, थैंक यू फॉर टॉलरेटिंग मी।